At Inpro, we present an integrated containerized solution for installing transfer pressure units, fuel polishing systems, and liquid fuel control systems, such as for diesel or HVO, for data processing centers. The container, or technical cabin, features a robust structure designed to operate under the most demanding conditions. Inside, we integrate our high-flow transfer pressure unit GPGC, capable of up to 12,000 liters per hour, the SAFA automatic preventive fuel polishing system with high-precision filtration, and the CAG control and monitoring panel with PLC, forming a turnkey solution ready for immediate installation and commissioning in data centers. This comprehensive system enables the safe and automated transfer of fuel from the main storage tank to the daily service tanks that feed the backup or emergency generator sets, ensuring a continuous and impurity-free fuel supply. Each component has been engineered for reliability, efficiency, and complete traceability, guaranteeing optimal fuel supply operation even in the most critical environments.